Have you ever sat down to enjoy a plate of shrimp and wondered why people always leave that little tail behind? It's something you see all the time. Shrimp piled high, juicy and delicious, but with those crunchy tails pushed to the side of the plate. So what's the deal? Why don't most people eat the very end of a shrimp? The answer is actually a mix of texture, tradition, and a bit of practicality. The tail of a shrimp is made mostly of chitin, which is the same tough material that makes up the shells of crabs and lobsters. It's not exactly harmful if you eat it, but it's not something your body can easily digest either. That means it can feel hard, crunchy, and even unpleasant to chew, especially if you're not used to it. For most people, that's enough reason to stop short of biting into it. Imagine expecting tender, juicy shrimp and instead crunching down on something that feels more like a fingernail. That's not the experience most people are going for. Another reason has to do with culture and dining habits. In many Western countries, it's just considered polite or proper to leave the tail behind. It's almost like the little handle that helps you hold the shrimp while you dip it into sauce or pop it onto your plate. Once you're done, the handle gets tossed aside. But here's the interesting part. In some Asian cuisines, eating the whole shrimp, tail and all, is completely normal. When shrimp is fried until crispy, the tail becomes crunchy and edible, almost like a chip. It's packed with extra flavor and even provides a small dose of calcium. So really, it's not that you can't eat the end of a shrimp, it's more that most people don't want to. It comes down to preference, habit, and how the shrimp is cooked. If it's boiled or sautéed, the tail usually stays tough. But if it's fried or roasted at a high heat, the tail can actually turn into a crunchy little bonus snack. At the end of the day, there's no rule saying you must avoid the shrimp tail. It's not toxic, it's not dangerous, and if you don't mind the crunch, you can go ahead and eat it. But most people prefer to stop just short of the end, savoring the soft and tender part of the shrimp and leaving the tail behind. So the next time you're enjoying shrimp, you get to decide, toss the tail aside or be adventurous and give it a try.